Time now for a check of the top business news stories. Kate Moody, our business editor, is here. Hi there, Kate.
Hi, Tom.
Let us begin with a world first. El Salvador officially adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Tell us more.
Well, the US dollar and Bitcoin are now the two official currencies in El Salvador. In theory, all businesses there do have to accept them for payment. Now, the government has launched its own digital wallet called Chivo and promised $30 worth of Bitcoin for new users. There are even new Chivo ATMs across the country. They, in theory, allow people to convert Bitcoin to dollars and withdraw them without commission. The first day, though, was hit with some snags. Many people said that the Chivo app was not available to be downloaded on popular app stores. The president describing that as teething problems that he said would soon be sorted out. Now, there is a lot of skepticism about this move, partly because Bitcoin is so volatile, it's unregulated and could be used for criminal purposes, but also because nearly half the population in El Salvador has no access to internet. The World Bank again saying today it cannot help El Salvador as it adopts Bitcoin because of concerns about environmental and transparency shortcomings. Lawmakers approved this change back in June. Some areas of the country have already been using the digital currency. Bitcoin Beach is a surfing hotspot on the Pacific coast, which has been operating since 2019. The manager there says he's excited about the opportunities ahead.
With the coming kind of official rollout of the law here, we're very excited. We also know that it's going to be a long road. There's going to be a lot of problems that are run into anytime you roll out a new technology, especially as quickly as they have here. It's expected to be problems, and there will be people 2 months from now that are saying it's a failure, but we really believe that 2 years from now, everybody will look at Salvador making this great decision and kind of leading the world. We think it'll be the first of many countries that go in this direction.
Well, ahead of that launch, the government bought 400 Bitcoins worth around $20 million. It helped to drive the price of Bitcoin to above $52,000 for the first time since May. It has since weakened. This graph of the value of Bitcoin over the last year is a reminder of just how unstable it is. A Bitcoin can lose tens of thousands of dollars in one single day. It's one of the reasons that many believe it should be considered an investment rather than a currency. Well, other cryptocurrencies also soared earlier on before dropping substantially later on in the session. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Stellar among the more popular crypto competitors, all down 2 digits this hour. Well, some governments like the US and UK have expressed deep skepticism about the use of cryptocurrencies in daily life. Others, like Argentina, have expressed interest. The volatility of the Argentine peso and cheap electricity make the cryptocurrency an attractive option there. Our team in Buenos Aires sent this report.
Every day, more Argentinians get into cryptocurrency. Manuel is one of them. Bitcoins, Ether, BNB. He buys small amounts of them every time he gets to save some pesos.
En el 96, este billete valía.
In 1996, when I was born, this $100 bill was worth 100 pesos. Now, 25 years later, it's worth 18,000. So it is impossible to save in pesos because its value keeps on falling, on disappearing. There is very little trust in the country and its money.
While mainly saved as a way to retain value, Bitcoins have also been put in circulation as the valid currency. They are accepted at this hipster barbershop and in 200 businesses around the country. Once they get familiarized with it, lots of buyers begin to have a deeper interest in blockchain technology, which underpins Bitcoin. With only a small investment in computer hardware, they can start mining, which means creating their own cryptocurrencies.
Vos enchufas así, con esto.
You connect this cable to the motherboard, like that, and it starts mining.
It's an opportunity to start a small business in a country once again sunk into recession. And because of national subsidies to electricity, which makes energy very cheap, the mining process is highly profitable.
For the young, it's a way to do something, to grow financially. In a country where we so very much lack opportunities, cryptocurrencies represent just that, a formidable opportunity.
Argentinians are used to crisis and economic roller coasters, so the inherent risks of what could be yet another financial bubble doesn't scare Mauro, Manuel, and other Argentinians passionate about Bitcoins.
Well, another reason that cryptocurrencies have become so popular are celebrity endorsements. Kim Kardashian is among those to have supported various crypto investments. This Monday, the UK's financial industry regulator slammed the influencer and reality star for a post back in June on her Instagram account, which promoted a digital token called Ethereum Max that is not related to the slightly more mainstream Ethereum. Well, Charles Randall warned that Kardashian was fueling delusions of quick riches, and he reminded potential crypto investors that they should be prepared to lose all of their money that they put into crypto investments. A warning there, a word of warning always, Tom.
Oh dear, naughty Kim. Well, thank you very much indeed for bringing us up to speed on all of that.